In this video, we'll be replacing the headlight on this 2005 Honda Element. To remove a headlight, on the driver's side is going to be your hardest side. Other than the battery and your air intake being in the way, the passenger side is going to be the same process. You just won't have these two items in your way. So we'll show you on the hardest side. Your air intake here is going to be this big and it's going to come off all by itself. You're not going to need to remove anything else. Just going to grab it from the front and rock it back and forth, and it will separate. There's a little locking tab here that you're trying to release. And there's that piece. Behind that piece, straight down, you're going to find your headlight. So what you're going to want to do is come back in here and pull your headlight plug and remove that. This one's got a bunch of dielectric grease in it, but there's your headlight plug. You can set this aside. And then this rubber cover here, you're going to want to pull that right off. Now this does two things. It covers your headlight plug, and it also stops moisture from getting into the headlight assembly. So you're going to want to make sure this is in good condition and it goes back on the way it's supposed to. You can set this aside. Inside your headlight assembly, you can see the plug on the bulb sticking out. You're going to have a little locking tab that you're going to press in and pull up, and that's going to look like that wire there. So this is the locking tab portion. Once you swing that all the way over, you can then reach in and pull out your headlight. You'll notice your headlight has 3 tabs on it. That's how it's going to align inside the headlight assembly. You're going to take your headlight and you're going to be careful not to touch any of the glass with your bare fingers. Your oils will ruin the bulb. So we have gloves on. We're going to take our headlight, put it into position, lining up our tabs. We're going to swing our lock over and we're going to push it in and down, which is going to lock our headlight bulb into position. Now what we're going to do is take our rubber cover, we're going to slide this over the bulb and over the headlight assembly, and we're going to push it, make sure it's making a good seal all the way around. And then we're going to take our headlight plug, plug it back in. So then your last step on the driver's side is going to be reinstall your air intake tube. We're just going to slide this down, and what we're going to do is lock in these 2 tabs on top and bottom. So we're just going to slide it down, line it up, and just press to fit. A little rocking motion sometimes works the top and bottom on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.